Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video, I'm going to solve a typical problem from the ACT math test that involves distance, time, and speed. Here's an example. Sarah is on a road trip from New York to Miami. At 10 a.m., she was 420 miles from Miami. At 3 p.m., she was 120 miles from Miami. Which of the following values is closest to Sarah's average speed in miles per hour from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m.? Well, while traveling from New York to Miami at 10 a.m., she was 420 miles away from Miami. At 3 p.m., she was 120 miles away from Miami. The distance traveled would be 420 minus 120, which gives us 300. The time traveled is obviously 5 hours, so 5 hours. Average speed would be distance divided by time, which is 300 divided by 5, gives us 60, and that's it. The answer is D. Great. With practice, you can learn to solve these problems fast and save time for more difficult problems on the test. For more examples, check out my other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.